still with it. Tell me about Georgie. I married above my head. Been playing catch up ever since. Got any children? Oh, you tried. Severide. Surgeon Darcy, he's here. Trauma Sergeant on cuidado. It's a recovery now. Shay, get over here. We got something for you. Come on, stop. Bring it out. Open it up. Yeah, so you got their artistic talent from their mother. That's so lovely. Hey, you guys, these are the ladies that saved my life. Come on, give them a clap. All I'm saying is I'm more than happy to design a new seal more reflective of the truck we are. Anything besides a goat. What's he on about? It's like our crust. I love that goat. That goat's all about reversing a curse. What curse? Cubs. Goat owner cursed them once, which is why they always suck. Everyone knows that. So we have a cursed crust? How the hell should I know? Leave it alone. The goat rocks. Of course, you would think. Please leave a message after the tone. Okay, they're good guys. Kelly, after you. Darden was entering the attic window here, while Squad 3 was conducting first floor search and rescue here. Fire started in the basement, spread up into the kitchen. Now we all know fire's in a constant hunt for oxygen. It's why we cut our vent point away from our entry point. No vent, and the fire's coming after us. What started in the basement now is looking for a way out. A larger vent cut in the back of the house, the fire never would have made it upstairs. Killing.